Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn off haptic feedback to prolong battery life in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now scroll down and click on sounds and haptics, and then scroll down and you can see the option sound haptics. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off system haptics, your iPhone no longer any vibration of your iPhone. This include vibration of incoming calls, messages, alerts. And after turning off haptics, quick and easy way to save your battery and reduce distractions or make your iPhone very fast. So this is the way to turn off haptic feedback to prolong battery life in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.